Hi, my name is Deepak Kumar Jain and I'm heading Industrial Mobility and TMT team in Stellarix. So today we are going to talk about AI plus manufacturing. So as we know that manufacturing is essential for business growth, but so does AI in today's life. But again, there is a lot of confusion going in the mind of manufacturers about how to use AI and where to use AI. They are skeptical about the investment, whether it's going to be the right investment or whether it's not. So we are coming up with a webinar where we are going to discuss about all these things. So our webinar is going to tackle about adoption of AI, what is going to be the maturity curve of AI, where you are positioned onto that maturity curve, and we are going to provide you a self-assessment checklist where you can evaluate yourself and see whether your organization fit for the AI adoption. So join us on 14th August on an exclusive webinar on AI in manufacturing. Thank you.